Hi, I'm John Maxwell. I am so excited about the L2 simulcast that you're going to be able to see. And the reason I'm so excited is because we are really wanting to help leaders learn to lead effectively. I'm going to be talking about my most recent book, Good Leaders Ask Great Questions. Do you realize the questions are the key that unlocks most of the door of opportunities in your life? And many doors are never opened because you never use that key of a good question to unlock that door. And I'm going to share with you some questions that will help you open up doors of opportunity that have never been opened to you. I'm also going to have my two good friends, Tim Sanders, Linda Kaplan-Thaler. They're both going to be with me on this simulcast. Tim Sanders was with Yahoo. He was a creations officer. This guy is so creative that if God would have wanted help on creating the heavens of earth, I think he would ask Tim. Linda Kaplan-Thaler, this lady knows marketing. She's the one who put the duck in Aflac. They're going to be with me at this L2 simulcast. You got to come. You got to bring your friends. Bring your team. I promise you, this will be a day that you will become a better leader.